Want to become a Baserow power user and get the most out of your databases? Baserow is much more than a simple spreadsheet alternative. It can help you organize information, automate workflows, collaborate with teams, and build powerful no-code systems. In this guide, I'll show you how to master Baserow in 2026. Start by understanding Baserow's core structure. Workspaces contain databases, databases contain tables, and tables contain records and fields. Once you understand this hierarchy, everything else becomes much easier. Create separate tables for different types of information instead of placing everything into a single table. This improves organization and makes your databases easier to manage as they grow. Learn when to use text fields, number fields, dates, checkboxes, attachments, links, and other available field types. Choosing the right field type is one of the fastest ways to improve database quality. Views allow you to display the same data in different ways. Create filtered views for active projects, sort records by priority, and customize layouts to match your workflow. Use status fields, due dates, assignments, and linked records to create structured workflows. This helps track progress and keeps projects moving smoothly from start to finish. Invite team members, assign permissions, and share databases when appropriate. Collaboration is one of Baserow's biggest strengths, especially for growing teams. To truly master Baserow, connect it with tools like Make, Zapier, Google Sheets, and other services. Automating repetitive tasks can save time and reduce manual work. And that's how to master Baserow in 2026. By understanding database design, using advanced views, building workflows, and connecting automations, you'll be able to create powerful systems for almost any project. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and you'll unlock the full potential of Baserow. Thanks for watching.